How to install Google Play Store on Huawei. So guys, let's start. First of all, open your Huawei browser. So if you open, you can search the search bar Google, and again you can click the Google. If you Google search, then you search ictfix.net. If you see this website, open first website. So if you open, click on right side three lines. So click the three lines and click on Google for Huawei. Close the ad, scroll up, and you can see solution 5 is here. So click here. So if you click, again scroll up and download Google Space, and you can see pass unzip. So you can see pass unzip. Click on download. Click on download anyway. So if you click the download option, so your download is start, and this file is so small, 4 MB. So you can see my download is start, and my download is done. So click on install. So down app. So if you click the install, so this app required to password to unzip. So password is ictfx.net. Enter and click on install. After, you can install this app. So open, guys, this app open, and you can see is here Play Store, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, everything is here to use. So I want to use Play Store, so I open the Play Store. So click on Play Store. So guys, my Play Store ID is already login. If you're new, so please enter Gmail ID and password and log in here, and after you can use this Play Store. So guys, if you see, my Play Store is ready to use, and I want to download some apps. So Google, I click the Google, and you can see is my result is here. I want to download Google Chrome, so I click the Google Chrome and click install. So guys, my file is downloading. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video, guys.